Employer consensus location Brooklyn ref 1,421,764 $1,545,372,743,836 starts December 21, 2018 closes December 28, 2018 Company type infrastructure job type full-time job function General consensus is a venture production studio focused on building and scaling tools and enterprise software products powered by Ethereum. Our mission is to use these solutions to power the emerging economic, social, and political operating systems of the planet. Our teams are busy at work building the future of identity, financial markets, commerce, security and infrastructure, and more. If you are someone that thrives in a fast-paced environment where being self-directed, determined, and resilient are a requirement, we would love for you to join us. About Viant. Viant is a blockchain-based platform for modeling business processes, tracking assets and building transparent supply chains of the future. Leveraging cryptographic security and smart contracts, Viant provides organizations verifiable insights as assets are managed and propagated through the entire supply chain. About the role. You are the visionary that can see how Viant can solve customer problems, use cases. You are responsible for building the solution architecture that would place Viant in a customer's context and detail its interactions with their current and planned systems. You will engage early to develop the solution vision, the system blueprint and see the realization of that blueprint through execution. You will interact with the adoption engineers to inform the architecture and to realize it. You will interact with the product owners, system experts, designers and engineers to bring the capabilities of the product forward and to inform, design, architect future capabilities. Working in a startup, you will have the unique opportunity to be a technology champion of both the product and its adoption. Responsibilities: understand data needs and develop data mapping, entity relationship diagrams, etc. To articulate the data architecture, led the technical sales process, including pre- and post-sale engagements with clients and customers, develop detailed solution architectures, system interaction diagrams and technical roadmaps, led working sessions to develop technical solutions and socialize such solutions to gain alignment and consensus with customers and stakeholders, map current state and target state requirements, and develop appropriate project plans to achieve goals, capture non-functional requirements including performance, scalability, privacy, security, and incorporate them in the solution design, infrastructure and architecture, identify patterns that can be abstracted and/or seeded into the Viant platform to enrich its capabilities and allow for easier adoption. Think about solutions in the context of networks, open systems, and new business models. Present to both internal and external stakeholders as well as at ecosystem events. Think creatively, work collaboratively, and do whatever it takes to get the job done. Desired skills: 2 years in solutions architecture and consulting, 7 experience designing and building enterprise-grade scalable software solutions, BA, BS in computer science or equivalent, has operational understanding of distributed systems concepts and blockchain technology experience responding to RFPs, RFIs, database and data systems enthusiast with working fluency in SQL and data visualization tools. Expert in developing slides and visuals using presentation tools like PowerPoint and diagramming tools like Visio. Ability to travel is needed, about 25% or less, experience working with engineers, designers, growth teams, data analysts, scientists, ability to think systemically and create. At Consensus, we fundamentally believe that a next generation of technologies presents the opportunity to create a more just and equitable society. A dynamic startup environment. Consensus is a thought leader in the blockchain space and we are absorbing a significant portion of the mind share. This is both exciting and challenging, as we learn to scale our organization while adhering to the principles of decentralization. Continuous learning. You'll be constantly exposed to new languages, frameworks and ideas from your peers and as you work on different projects, challenging you to stay at the top of your game. Deep technical challenges. This entire ecosystem is about 10 years old. Ethereum itself is still a toddler. There is much work to be done before these platforms can scale to the order of millions or billions of users. Consensus is building the technology platforms that can get us to those next thresholds of scale. Consensus is an equal opportunity employer. We encourage people from all backgrounds to apply. We are committed to ensuring that our technology is made available and accessible to everyone. All employment decisions are made without regard to race, color, national origin, ancestry, sex, gender identity or expression, sexual orientation, age, genetic information, religion, disability, medical condition, pregnancy, marital status, family status, veteran status, or any other characteristic protected by law. Click here for the latest updates from Consensus. Similar searches, full-time, infrastructure, general, Brooklyn. Save. You need to sign in or create an account to save a job. 2.